Pacific Air welcomes you to Macau.
It's currently around 10 p.m. and since nasa tapat lang yung sands, punta kami because wala lang, gusto lang namin makita. So yun, ang ganda ng hotel na to and mura lang siya sa Agoda, so check it out. Parang antok na talaga yan Nasa labas na kami ng hotel and tingnan nyo kung nasaan yung sands. Ang layo sis. Nandyan lang. Sands na yan. So, bale, tatawid lang kami. Ayan, yan. Sands na yan. Hindi ko sure if kitang-kita but yan na yung sands. And ito na yung hotel na nasistayhan namin. So, yan. Napagod ako today, guys. Feeling ko naka 20,000 steps kami. Ilang steps tayo today, be? So, yan yung steps namin today. Mga pang 2 days na. Almost pang 2 days na. So, since 17,000 pa man siya, gagawin na namin 20,000. Let's go! Ay, hindi pa ba? Good morning! Alam ko wala nang update kagabi but sobrang pagod kami and hindi naman kami naglaro. 10 naman yung namin. So, ayun. Let's get ready. Yung facial wash ko pala dito ko nilagay sa contact lens kasi para save ng space. Saglit lang naman kami dito. Travel hack.
But I could feel this way and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
So, here we go. Makeup na tayo para matapos na tayo. Try natin to si Tier. Mini size yung binili ko just to try it. And na-try ko siya kahapon. Maganda naman siya. Tingnan mo gano'n siya kaliit, girl. Ganyan lang siya. Sobrang cute niya. Handy.
Know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Hello! So, it's our last full day in Macau. And 2 days lang actually kaming nagstay dito. Yung first day, we spent the whole day na mag-shoot. So, hindi kami nakagala and whatever. So, this is the last day na makakapag-ikot-ikot kami. So, I think this vlog is more about how to get the most out of a day in Macau. So, as a first stop, we are in Fisherman's Wharf. Medyo hingal pa mi. Naglakad kasi kami, guys. So, we are in Fisherman's Wharf. Actually, nasa likod lang siya ng hotel namin. It's just a 1-minute walk from Harborview Hotel. So, if you're staying in this area, might as well na check Fisherman's Wharf. Wala siyang entrance fee, guys, and wala masyadong tao. So, yeah, I think it's a must visit. And sobrang dami niyang shops. Hindi ko lang alam if nag-close na sila or maaga lang kami. 9:30 kami actually nagpunta dito. So, yeah, I think So far, so good. Don't forget to bring water and umbrella and sunnies and maybe electric fan, yung maliit. Kasi sobrang init, guys.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your breath.
Sobrang nice na Fisherman's Wharf pala. First time ko dito. Hindi ko first time sa Macau. Nakapunta na kami dito 10 years ago. Pero sobrang dami nang nagbago. And it felt like it's my first time again.
I just know you got that something, something special about you.
Grabe ang bini, ha? Naabot sa Macau. St. Paul's is the Senado Square. So, dito mas madaming shops, mas madaming kainan, and naghahanap pa lang kami ng restaurant para makakain na finally. So, yeah. Tapos na kami dun sa Senado Square. Actually, kumain lang kami. And then right now, nasa Sands kami. Because bumili kami ng bus going to Hong Kong. Papunta kami na Venetian. Actually, free shuttle si Sands papuntang Venetian. Hello! We are finally at the Venetian, and actually we took a shuttle bus from Sands coming here, and it's free of charge. So actually 15-minute ride lang siya, and if magta-taxi kayo, it would take around 100 plus MOP. So I highly suggest you take the shuttle bus. Mag-line na kayo. Walang masyadong waiting time. So I highly suggest na you take the shuttle bus if you came from the other island, dun sa may Harbor View. Sorry, di ko lang sure kung paano or ano yung tawag dun eh. So, yeah. So, let's explore Venetian. Tapat lang niya is yung shops ng Londonaire, and then stops away lang din yung Parisian.
the spot, everybody tryna zoom. This is casual, another night with the wolves, but I should be dealing with them, she's a damn professional. Making plays for, don't need to be told, yeah she knows. Got these fellas down bad and everybody else mad. Adrenaline rush, leaving them in the dust, now they converting the stands. The world is in her hands now, she's living in my head rent free. Burning through my long-term memory. Everybody racing in a Grand Prix. They know if they don't take a chance now, finna stay woke, no sleep, running back real slow, is that a win? She's cold as ice, sugar-coated lies with the honey trap.
Naantay na lang kami sa bus papuntang Hong Kong. So, dapat alis kami ng 6:25. Dumating kami sa line 6:23. 6:36 na ngayon and wala pa din yung bus. So, good luck na lang. And just like that, balik na kami na Hong Kong. So, let's go. We arrived 11:27, 3 minutes before opening time. Okay, laban. Sometimes may mga restaurants talaga na worth it. Ito, first time namin na not dine in last 2019. So, nung nag-decide kami mag-Hong Kong, parang ito lang yung nasa itinerary namin is worth it talaga siya. So, yeah. Let's see kung ilang oras tayo mag-Hong Kong. Time check. 1:00 na. Nakapasok din kami. Thank you. 1 hour and 37 minutes later. Nakapasok. Yung tip ko lang dito is, pagdating nyo, kuha kagad kayo ng number. Huwag na kayong mag-line kung saan. May line talaga yan. Kuha na kayo talaga ng number. Sorry! Thank you! She is here! Thank you! Tabi-tabi kasi ito. So, yung katabi namin dito.
Ano na, nasa likod natin dito natin binili yung popcorn.
Ha? Ano popcorn?
Popcorn?
Akala nila.
Sabi ko sa makaubig na rin.
Parang sarap ng order ng kagabi ko. Ay, sobrang lapit lang. Kuha ka na, be. Kuha ka na, be. Sunod ako. Tapos din dito kami sa 7-Eleven kasi para mura ang drinks. $30 yung water dun. Saan galing kaya yun sa Switzerland? Tipid-tipid. 7-Eleven is a key. Baby long. Welcome to We're on our way to IFC Mall sa Shimsashui. Guys, if nandito kayo sa Hong Kong, malapit sa Clock Tower, and if nauuhaw kayo, then pasok kayo dito sa Cultural Center, tuturo ko kung saan. Yan yung door. Pasok kayo dyan, then makikita nyo yung Pacifico. Nakatipid na tayo ng 10 Hong Kong dollars. Hindi nga lang siya malamig, pero at least libre. Dito kami ngayon sa Moko Mall sa may Mongkok East, and nandito kami sa food court waiting. Alam mo ba ano ang kakainin namin? Wala sa Pilipinas talaga. Ay nako, pero rice is life. So yeah, it's 8:22 and hopefully makakain na kami. Target sana namin kumain ng 8, tapos makabalik sa hotel kasi sobrang aga ng flight namin bukas. 1 full day lang talaga kami sa Hong Kong. Yung squeeze in lang talaga namin. Plan sana namin today is pumuntahan sa City Gate Outlet, pero hindi na kami nakapunta kasi sobrang pagod. Pero okay naman, enjoy naman. Papuntang airport, nag-bus lang kami and it cost us around 35 Hong Kong dollars. And then, pwede palang mag-negative yung Octopus card as long as once lang siya. So, sa next sakay mo, since nag-negative na siya, dapat mag-reload ka na. Ngayon, we're having breakfast because closed pa yung counter namin. So, yeah, let's eat.